Hi there, and welcome to Johnny's Projects. Wishing everyone a very Merry Christmas and a very safe and happy New Year. So today we are going to be building a cat treat dispenser. Everybody's got a pop bottle lying around or pop can lying around, mostly deposit, or like me, we build stuff. So all you need is an empty, clean pop bottle and a cat toy, pipe cleaner, and an elastic band. You can use elastic bands or elastic cord. That's totally up to you. So let's get started to build this. So first off, just need to drill a small hole in the bottom and find an elastic band that is relatively about that long. You can always shorten it up, make it longer. You don't want it too long, but you don't want it too short either. So an easy method to insert plastic band into the bottle is I take a piece of wire. You can use thread and a needle and just insert it there. Really simple. And on this end, all I do is I just wrap it around. So make it sort of tight. Then force it into the hole. And easy as it is, you just pull it through. And just make sure that you put your finger on there so you don't accidentally pull the whole thing. Or does something like that. If it does do that, just take a pair of scissors and then you're good to go. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece out. I'm going to leave this one kind of hanging, and what we're going to do is we'll take the ball and we will glue, use some hot glue, and we'll take that and we will glue it onto there. Careful, because the glue gets really hot, obviously. So give that a few seconds to set. And if you accidentally did what I did, you put some glue there. Just make sure that comes off. So now, once that has a chance to set, again making sure your other end does not fall through. There we go. Pretty simple. Okay. So now we're going to do the same thing with this. As we cut the pipe cleaner just a little bit. And now we're just gonna kind of do this. And we're gonna twist it up, because we want to be able to glue that onto here as well. So, same thing. Put a koi piece, but not a lot. Amount of hot glue. You can use needle and thread as well. That works really well too. So again, we're just going to let that set for one moment. Don't need that anymore. We don't need the scissors. So you can go to any craft store and you can get this elastic cord. It works really well. I use it for a lot of different projects. And then you can just cut it to size. So everything has a chance to set. So now, you notice it's just kind of like hanging there. So you want to pull it up, but you don't want to pull it like so it's super tight. So if it's like really tight, then this won't work. So we're going to let that down a bit. So you want it so that when the cat's back to it, it opens up a bit. So, but not so much that the stuff comes out. So that's pretty good, right about there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our hot glue and we're just going to glue this part here. And we'll just fold it right back over. So we're going to fold it over. And I'm going to glue that side. So what we do is we just let that set just for a few minutes and we'll be right back. Okay, so now the glue's had a chance to set for a little bit. So now we've got a little toy, and all you have to do is just feed it over and take some cat treats or cat food and you can insert it. Now there's other ways you can do this too. Use a funnel if you don't want cat food on there. Just, you know, don't lick your fingers after you're done, I guess. That wouldn't taste very good. Unless you're into cat food, you know, I'm not going to judge. So, and then you just fill it up. And there you have it. So now it's about half full, which is fine. So just hold on to this part and put it upside down. And all you gotta do is hang it. So, as you can see, the cat food stays in. Little cat tree. Cat toy, so when the cats play with it, this is what happens. And the cat treats just fall out as they're playing. And now we're going to hang it up and test it again. So I've just kind of sort of zip tied it to the back of my chair there. And as you can see, it's just kind of hanging. Now, of course, you can make this longer. And I've punctured a few holes in the bottle as well, just to allow the smell and the scent come out. So when the cats come to play, they're going to be hitting the bottle, hitting their toy, and as you can see, all over my floor is cat treats. And they will eat that, and that's the self-dispensing cat food, cat treat toy for my little fur babies. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more, and thank you very much for watching Johnny's Projects.